A lot of people are not going to be happy I'm sharing this technique. What's up guys, I'm James and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to be if you're looking for great new ways to hustle and make money online. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. Today guys, I'm going to teach you one of the best guarded secrets in SEO today, a secret that many online marketers would prefer I didn't share. I'm also going to show you how this SEO technique can be used to drive tons of traffic to any ClickBank offer for free. So if you're looking for a quick and dirty way to generate traffic for competitive keywords that convert into commissions, then you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. And to do this guys, we're going to be using a Parasite method or Parasite SEO. Parasite SEO is when you use the host platform or website's domain authority to help you quickly rank high for keywords in search engines. Let me show you what I'm talking about, for example. So if you want, you can do this yourself, but basically go into Google and type in something like Toronto SEO expert. Okay, now this is a highly competitive keyword because it's got SEO expert into it. I know it's localized, but it doesn't matter. It's still very highly competitive. And if you look at all these websites, these are all legitimate websites. These people have probably spent a lot of time and money building up backlink profiles and doing outsourcing and stuff to build domain authority. And then you take a site like this sites.google. It's not an authority site, it's nothing. This is what I would call a parasite site. This is a prime example of it, okay? This is just a basic site with not much to it, and he's ranking #1 for this keyword. Okay, let me show you another one. So that is a good example of it. I'll show you another one here. And this one is, you can just do watch and then do any movie that's like recent. So watch Honest Thief Online. At the time of filming this video, this was like a newish video. And if you take a look here, these are parasite sites. So this might not look like a parasite, but if you open it up in a new tab, okay, and you take a look at it, okay, he's got his links to here. Now, when you get rid of this and you want to see what kind of website it is, this is not a website that should be using that. That basically, this person has taken this guy's platform, this website's platform, and used it to host content that ranks it high and generates traffic. That is a parasite method. Okay, that's another prime example in all these sites. And for example, this one here, this is the World Health Organization, and somebody's created a page on the World Health Organization site using a PDF method. That's another one which we can cover in a future video to rank really high for this keyword. And I'm sure this person has used probably multiple different variations for different movies and other sites and stuff. But that's basically what a parasite method is. You're basically, again, you're using the credibility in the eyes of Google and Bing to manipulate your way past others who should easily beat you. Okay, and if you do this, it basically allows you to jump ahead and it allows you to start getting traffic without having to spend months and time and building authority sites. That's why this method is very good for like churn and burn type CPA marketing. Okay, so you can see how powerful of a method this is. Okay, now these are just two basic keywords. I mean, if I would spend some time searching, I could probably find dozens and dozens of examples of this on very highly competitive keywords. Okay, anyways guys, that is what a parasite, that's basically what a parasite site is. Let's go and create a quick parasite using Google Sites, okay, for ClickBank offer. All right, so to do that, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go over to sites.google.com. If you don't already have a Google account, you're gonna have to sign up, okay? Next thing you're gonna have to do is go over to ClickBank. If you do not have an account at ClickBank, you're probably gonna wanna sign up for one or use any affiliate network. It doesn't matter what product you use, just pick whatever one you're comfortable. For this tutorial, just to make it a bit quicker and easier, I picked this one here, this custom keto diet. It's got a good conversion. It's got a really high gravity, so everything I look for. It's got a ton of affiliate resources. Again, that's what I want. And it also has a contact support, so that's a good product. That's why I'm picking this one. I've already taken the time to download all these banners that I want to use. I've also taken the time to download this article and pick one that I want to use, which is this one here, 7 benefits of the keto diet. Okay. And if you want, you can use this one, but try and find one that has articles already given to you. It's going to make it a lot easier. Or if that's not the case, then you're going to have to write your own articles, which is not a big deal. It just has to be like a 500-word article. It can be a review, whatever. It's up to you. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back here to your Google Sites here, sites.google.com, and you're going to create a new blank site. And this is basically going to be the website here. Now for the title, I like to put whatever my keyword is that I'm trying to target. Okay. And we'll just make that into a title. and we'll center it, and we'll bold it. Okay. If you want, you can change this background, header type, and everything. They have title only, cover. So if you want to make it a big image, you could, but that's up to you. I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it like this. You can play around with how you want it to look. All right. Next thing you want to do here is you want to start adding some text. So I'm going to add a text box. I'm going to copy these first lines like that. And the reason why I'm going section by section is because I'm going to be adding images. Okay, there we go. And then you just highlight on this, and we'll make that a title, and we'll center it, and we'll make this one a header or heading. Okay, then we're going to go to images, upload, and I'm just going to pick any one of these ones here. I'm going to pick this one to start with because I like it. I think it looks good. Now just click on it to drag it over where you want to position it. So I'm going to center that, and if you want to change the size, just click on it. So you see these, looks like this. Then you can just drag it and increase the size. Okay, and then just recenter it. There we go. Okay, we'll create a link to that. Let's make that a little bit taller so it doesn't cut off the image. We're going to add a link to that later. Okay, but right now it's a matter of just getting a text. Now we're going to add another text box. Go back to here, and we're going to go here. And we'll do that much. How much we have left? Okay, that's plenty. And then again, we're just going to paste that in there. Again, we're going to make that a heading. Heading. And heading. Okay. And then we're going to pick another image. Upload. And we'll just do this one. And again, I'm not going to change the size for this one. I'm just going to center it. And another text block. So you can see how easy it is, guys. Okay. All right. And we'll go like that. Copy. I like using the ones that don't look like affiliate links. I like the ones that make it just look like, you know, maybe another blog article or something, because people will click on it. All right, let's paste that. And we'll make that a heading. So you can see, guys, it's pretty quick, and you don't really have to worry about the styling too much of this. That's not what's going to make it work. If it's, you know, you're going to be getting traffic and it will convert. All right. So that's looking good. Let's add another image. We have this one. We have this one. Let's do this one. Now we'll just center that. And we'll add another text box. And we'll just put the rest on here. You could play around. You could put text links and all stuff like that. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then again, you just paste your text in there, highlight which one you want to change into a heading. Okay. All right, that's looking good enough. Good enough for this. And there we go. So now we have an article, our website looking good. Next thing we got to do is we've got to add our links in here. Okay. So what you're going to do is go back to your ClickBank account, make sure that you are logged in. So it has your username here, and you're just going to click on promote for whatever product. Okay. Make sure your nickname here, and then you can add a Parasite, just so you know where it's coming from. Okay. Generate hop link and copy. So now you've copied that. This right here is your tracking ID, so you can look at it and you can track your stats easier. We're going to go back over to our site, and we're going to click on our image and click on insert link and just paste it on here. Okay. Now, if you want, some people say you should do this. You can use a bit.ly thing and shorten it. Okay. But that's up to you. All right. I'm going to use it because I usually use it, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay. That's one link. And we'll add another link, and you just click on it to highlight it, insert link. Okay, click apply, and there we go. Same here, click on link and apply, and we're good to go. Now, if you want to make some text, let's say you wanted, I don't know, this text to be a link, you just highlight it, whatever text you want, and click on insert link and put your link here. Okay, that's it. So that's looking good. Okay, next thing we want to do is click on enter site name, and we'll just go, I don't know, benefits of, I like this to be my keyword. Okay, That's it. Benefits of the keto diet. Never know if I pronounce it right, but it doesn't matter. And that is looking like it is ready to go. Okay. There's all kinds of other things you can add, dividers. If you have a YouTube video, like let's say, for example, on this one here, they give a bunch of videos. If you want, you could upload it to YouTube, make it non-indexable. So it's just like kind of like only if you have the link you can see it. And then you could use that in here if you want to add a video to here. But I don't think it needs it. This is fine. Okay. Next thing you want to do is click on Publish. And it's going to give you the web address here. So again, I want to make this my keywords. I want this to be the keywords. Benefits of the keto diet. All right. And if you find something's taken, you might have to change it. And a lot of times I'll just add 2020 to it. If you want to make this future proof, you can put 2021. That's fine. Make sure you're not clicking on this. Okay. That is good. So your site is going to be this /view/benefits of the keto diet 2021. Okay. And we're going to publish it. And now it's been published. We can view it. And that is your website. Okay. Now what I like to do here, guys, I like to just check the links, make sure that they're working. Okay. And it's redirecting and perfect. It's got my username here. Okay. So that is ready to go. Okay, let's get back out of here. And there's the site here. Okay. Okay, so now you got the website all set up. You see how quick it was. Like you can literally do it in like 5 minutes. If you have the article already written, it's literally a 5-minute job to throw together one of those sites. Now, the next step is optional, but if you want to speed up the indexing, so the indexing is like how quickly Google ranks it and adds it to like the index so it's searchable. You can give it a blast with some cheap tier 2 backlinks. For this, you can just head over to somewhere like Fiverr.com and search for tier 2 backlinks or any type of backlinks. And you just want to, I don't know, something that's cheap, like $5-10. But that's optional, you know, send like 2,000 backlinks, like something like this would work. Okay. It doesn't have to be the best quality backlinks because this is not going to be your money site that you're worried about anything bad happening. You're just trying to basically give it a little bit of a push start or a boost. Then it's just a matter of time of giving it a few days for Google to index and rank it. Okay. Now, guys, there are tons of websites that you can use as parasites. To find your own, you're going to need to basically look for websites that allow you to create content and have a high page rank with Google. Okay. And guys, if you want, actually, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a future video all about parasites and how to find them. Maybe go more into depth about it and share some advanced tricks. Let me know in the comments and maybe I'll make a video about it. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs it up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me and it helps the channel. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.